What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am finally getting the chance to tackle my messy car. Any mama out there knows that it is so hard to keep a clean car with kids. Riley is down taking her nap, and what better time for me to do than to clean out everything out of the car, get all of the random mess out, and finally start the week off with a clean car. If this is your first time here, my name is Nia and I am a working mom simply trying to figure out the best work and home life balance while clearly trying to keep somewhat of a clean car. I would love to have you join the family by clicking the red subscribe button down below, as well as the bell notification so you never miss out on a future video. But if you guys would like to see me transform this car and make it look brand new again, then please keep watching. I wish I could say that I was completely surprised by all of the crap that I found in Riley's car seat. She always likes to grab random things from the house, whether it's food, toys, you name it, and bring it into the car with her. So I definitely had to tackle it with our handheld vacuum, along with my Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose spray to really get all of the gunk and everything out. Just wanna stay close, don't say that ain't gonna leave ya. Sabotage, you're a floor. We know how to push the buttons to the core. I've got you. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it. Go ahead, to let me smile for all I care. Just wanna stay close, don't say that ain't gonna leave ya. Sabotage, you're a So I officially feel like a mom now that I have my new mommy car, and I'm still trying to get the swing of everything and learning all the features. But if you guys would like to see a car tour and I can kind of just go over all of the features of the Nissan Rogue, then leave a comment down below, because this is one of my all-time favorite cars. It has so many great features to it, at least the ones that I have learned so far, and I definitely want to share it with you guys, especially any of you new moms out there who are looking for a new car or just something that is safe and reliable to transport your kids to and from wherever it is that you need to go.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me.
finish up by wiping down all of the windows with some Windex. I would love it if you guys subscribed and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys next Sunday. Bye.
I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breathe.